Good morning everyone. For today, I'm going to share apple banana protein shake. I have one apple here. You can include the skin of the apple if you want. And I added one banana, 1 cup milk of your choice, 1 scoop of protein powder, chocolate. If you want vanilla, you can do it too. And 3/4 cup of ice. Now our apple banana protein shake is ready to drink. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so that you will be notified every time I uploaded a new video. Thank you, and don't forget we have some channel here. Check them out also. They're very nice channel.